እስኪ ዘሃቦ أمسدار ترامات أمسدار تخلاي ستساح لك ماي ماني رقو تسكي ذهبو
Hi, this is Aron from Los Angeles, the owner of Cafe and Jazz. Thank you, Mayor Garcetti, for all your service in Los Angeles. We really appreciate for all the hard works, and we look forward to see you at Cafe and Jazz before you hit India for your new faith.
وصلين شلم لما فاتم مكسراي فرد لا يلابو يتأمر متاي فرد لا يلابو يتأمر متاي وهي تلم عانو وهي تلم رايو وهي تلم عانو وهي تلم رايو أسد شمال تواجه بتسح من الحلايو بتسح من الحلايو لو يتالي لالي شلال كيف كوري بتأمرا تاتي كوري بتأمرا
ويزريت يريدا فتيك موتي أبيتي فتح أمتي أميتك بتزبط ترزي بتزبق ورح تناززي مسيلك بتبكر برزي من قرنيا بخان تبززي تفاززي أتطل خرمتي عم بابا عتاريك لبياودي قلكي عيتن عيز خونيك سخونو سخونو زحادرو زحادرو سخونو سخونو زحادرو زحادرو وردي نوربا لكي قربا يدفي وشاطي زينا كي تمتتي خبر وسن دفيكي زود سرورة وسدت عبيلكي ويزري إريترا ملك زبغاغي كنات كستدبنا وترد غرافيت كما عرض زينا 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 زينا
Welcome to our Eritrean and Eritrean American communities, friends from all over the world and fans of the ImagEnatioN YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Agahate, and this event is organized by the team ImagEnatioN. We have an amazing event planned. We will hear from selected speakers and from our guest of honor, the Honorable Eric Garcetti, the Mayor of Los Angeles, a multicultural city representing over 140 nationalities and where over 220 languages are spoken. Many Eritreans have long settled here and now they call Los Angeles home, include Ned Keflisgi, who attended UCLA, Tiffany Haddish, the late Nipsey Hussle, and so many others. It's now my honor to introduce the man who has administrated the international city as a mayor, building bridges between communities and building effective partnerships among many stakeholders. Eric Garcetti is the mayor of the people, himself an international citizen who has spent time in over 80 countries. One of these countries is our homeland, Eritrea. Mayor Garcetti visited Eritrea on several occasions. To this day, Eritrea and the Eritreans hold a special place in his heart.
He also studied the Eritrean Revolution when he was at Oxford University as a Rhodes Scholar. Personally, I have been fortunate to call the mayor my brother since the first day we met. Why? Because as we say in our Eritrean culture, we have drunk water from the same river. And I am grateful to have been able to work with him on various civic endeavors. I have always been impressed with the amount of respect he has shown to the people he serves. We have been fortunate to have his leadership during the COVID-19 pandemic. Who will forget that? We want to give him special thanks from providing certificate of recognition from the mayor's office to the Eritrean Independence Day. Mayor Garcetti proclaimed May 24 to be officially Eritrean Day. And also he encouraged Angelino to appreciate the contribution of the Eritrean American community. Mayor Garcetti is now undertaking a new appointment by the President of the United States of America. He will serve as an ambassador to India. We, the Eritrean community, are convinced that the American people will be well served through his knowledge of global affairs. We can all testify the Mayor Garcetti has a calling of public service, and he will make an extraordinary ambassador. The mayor will share his remarks a little later, but before we meet our other guest speakers, let's greet our brother, the Honorable Eric Garcetti. Welcome, Mr. Mayor.
Thank you.
Right. So let's start with Hadinet.
I'm Hadinet Kadata. I'm representing Eritrean Embassy. Mr. Mayor, the Mayor's office dedicated staff, members of the Eritrean community. I am honored to address these memorable events on behalf of the Eritrean Embassy and the Eritrean American community to pay a sincere gratitude to His Excellency Mayor Eric Garcetti for his profound friendship to Eritrea and Eritreans. Mr. Mayor, your unwavering support and contribution to the Eritrean community in Los Angeles has been incredible. Your recognition of the unique values, culture, and the contribution of the Eritrean society, and your message during our Independence Day were truly inspiring. Your absence, occasioned by the new responsibility, will be sorely felt by the citizens of the great city of Los Angeles, including the Eritrean community. Lastly, allow me to invite you to visit Eritrea as an honored and special friend of our people. It will not be a long flight from India, Thank you again, Your Excellency, for your service and dedication, and best wishes in your new endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Hadinet, right on time. Our next speaker is Mr. Yamane.
Yamana Gabrab from the National Council of Eritrean American of Los Angeles County. Dear Mr. Mayor, on behalf of the National Council of Eritrean American of Los Angeles, I would like to thank you for all you did to promote Eritrea to the political arena of our time. The proclamations that we received from your office and the presence of your representative during our annual celebration of our Independence Day mean a lot to the Eritrean people. You will always be in our hearts, in our minds. We wish you the best on your upcoming ambassadorial post and your future political career. Thank you.
Our next speaker is Ambassador, Mr. Ambassador.
Yes, good morning, Mayor Garcetti, distinguished panelists, as well as the organizers of today's event, the ImagEnatioN staff, and everybody that's following the program online. My name is Ambassador Brahane. I'm a local liaison for the local Eritrean American community in Los Angeles that works in conjunction with the Embassy of the State of Eritrea in Washington, D.C. It is such an honor and a pleasure to be here to congratulate Mayor Garcetti as you embark upon your new position as the U.S. Ambassador to India, and also to congratulate you on what you have done for one of the largest cities in the world, Los Angeles, as well as the local Eritrean American community in Los Angeles. Well, that's all I can say. Thank you. And also, I wish you and your family the best of luck. Thank you, Mayor Garcetti.
Our next speaker is Mr. Mep.
Mayor Garcetti, thanks for your hard work, passion, dedication, and commitment to excellence. What you have done for the Eritrean American, not in Los Angeles and around the world, is very respected and loved. And as Eritrean community, thank you for giving us identity. Thank you for turning out with dignity. And without you, none of the celebration would have happened. You know, as a fellow LA, UCLA, and San Diego, been following your career, we are just touched how you embrace our culture, our music, our food. And as I played earlier by Aron, the music was very touching. And we respect you, we love you, we wish you all the best. And like Hadinet said, Eritrea is not too far away. We hope to see you there again soon.
Thank you, Mep. Appreciate. Our next speaker is out of the country on a business trip, but Selena, she will read his written short message. Selena.
So this is from Dawi Eskedom from Los Angeles to Mayor Garcetti. Thank you for your support of the Eritrean struggle for independence over the years, your support of the Eritrean community in Los Angeles, and your support for me personally. I appreciate your kind words about my son, Ermias Eskedom, aka Nipsey Hussle. We wish you luck in your new position as ambassador to India. The Los Angeles community knows you'll do an excellent job as you have done as mayor of Los Angeles. Best of wishes, message from Asmara, Eritrea. Thank you, Eric Garcetti.
Now let's watch a short video clip and few slides.
In honor of Mayor Eric Garcetti, Eritreans and friends sent short video clips and written message to ImagEnatioN from the US, Canada, Europe, and Eritrea. They express their appreciation, gratitude, and best wishes for Mayor Garcetti and soon to be Mr. Ambassador. Team ImagEnatioN will show few examples of the video clips and written message. Enjoy. My name is Reverend Tachala from Medhane Eritrean Orthodox Tawhid Church here in LA. I'm the father and servant of this church. Thank you, Mr. Mayor, for everything you have done for Eritreans. The church appreciates you for providing a certificate of recognition on its 25th anniversary. My wish to you is to be the next president of the United States. My best wishes to your family, and thank you.
Hi, Mayor Garcetti. My name is Delaney Goshu. I am 11 years old and in 6th grade. Thank you so much for making Eritrea known to others and letting everyone know that we are part of the hard work of U.S. We all wish you good luck on your new life journey. Thank you so much, and goodbye.
Hello, my name is Aron, but I go by Steady and the Goose. I am originally from Eritrea, but I was raised here in Los Angeles. I would like to take this moment to thank Mayor Garcetti for all he has done for us Angelinos, especially for the Eritrean community.
Ambassador Eric Garcetti, congratulations on your appointment as ambassador to India. And thank you too for being a good friend of Eritrea, sharing its story, its true story actually. Thank you again. Dahankun, namaste.
Good morning, Mayor Garcetti. My name is Emmanuel. I am from Canada. I wanted to say thank you for what you've done for the Eritrean community and good luck on your new endeavor and congratulations on your new promotion. Thank you. We love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Jordana Sperhi. I am Los Angeles resident. For a small business owner for the last 20 plus years, I have found Los Angeles to be one of the best city because mayor like you, they make everything possible. And thank you so much for all your service.
Mayor Eric Garcetti. My name is Ruth Yemane from Los Angeles, California. Thank you so much for what you have done as a mayor in Los Angeles, the biggest city in the world. Especially during the COVID time, you handled transparently. Thank you so much. And we also thank you for what you have done for our community, Eritrean community. My family and I are wishing you all the best for your new endeavor. You're going to be missed a lot. Take care.
Hello, Mayor Garcetti. This is Mad. Just want to say thank you on behalf of the Eritrean American community for what you have done in LA and also the Bay Area, California. Your hard work, your passion, your dedication to the Eritrean American community is amazing, and we are grateful for all that you have done over the years. In your honor, I'm wearing the LA 28 for the Olympics. Thank you for bringing the Olympics to LA, and we are grateful for what you have done in LA, Eritrea, and the community around the world. So best wishes and good luck.
Amaniel Tesfai from Asmara, Eritrea. Thank you, Mayor Eric Garcetti, for your care and love of Eritrea and Eritreans. Congratulations on your new appointment as the Ambassador of the U.S. to India. Thank you. Elizabeth Waldemariam from Los Angeles, California. Honorable Mayor, we are grateful for your honest testimony about Eritrea and Eritreans, an impression you have been treasuring since you were 16. We love you and wish you the best in your career. Hannah and family from London, United Kingdom. Dear Eric, thank you for having a special place in your heart for the Eritreans. We are honored to have a respectable friend like you. We wish you the best of luck in your new job. Ainalam Tebeje from Canada. Excellency, I would like to join the community wave of appreciation for your service to your community, your city, and your nation. We will always cherish your outreach to community and attention to our issues and your love and respect for Eritrea. You have always shown the true meaning of leadership, and for that, you have left a lasting legacy. As you prepare to assume yet another important appointment, we wish you a successful and rewarding career. With respect. Fisaha Waldemikael from St. Louis, Missouri. Thank you for your support and friendship to our country, Eritrea. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors as Ambassador to India. Please keep up your support and friendship with Eritrean people. One day, I hope to see you visit Eritrea. Brahane Alazar, Derry, New Hampshire. Thanks a million for being a friend of Eritrea. Please don't forget Eritrea in your new ambassadorship. Dr. Barachat Fadai from Eritrean community in Minnesota. Dear Mayor Eric Garcetti, I would like to thank you so much for your understanding and working closely with the Eritrean community. I wish the best in your future endeavors.
ዝተሳሕለ ከማይ መን ይረኽቦ እስኪ ዝሃቦ ዝዘርኡ ዘራኦ ኣንታ ኸይዓጸዱ ወዮም ዝዓጸዱ ኣንታ ኸይሓፈስኡ ወዮም ዝሓፈሱ ቁራስ ከይልኸፉ ክንፍተን ኢሎም ናስ አንኪሶም ሓለፎ ኣብ ጸልማት ኣብ ብርሃን ኣብ ህንከት ኣብ ሰላም ኣብ ተንኮል ኣብ ፍቕሪ ኣብ ስኒት ኣብ ሰርኢ ተፈቲነበሉ ከም ወርቂ ባሓዊ ማዕበላ ሸቦታ ኣሕሊፈ ብላዕሊ